That is exactly right, Pearl. My role is to help you manage the pure risk associated with the potential loss of Pearl's income. As a risk manager, I have several techniques at my disposal to help clients manage risk. Some of these techniques may be familiar to you, even if you didn't know the formal terms. Instructor writes STAR on the board. We use the acronym STAR to remember these risk management techniques. The first letter S stands for share or sharing the risk with others. For example, two business owners might share the risk of starting a new business by sharing the initial costs of opening the business. The next technique is T, which stands for transfer. This is what we typically do as insurance agents. We help clients transfer their risks to the insurance company in exchange for a premium payment. Transferring risk is one of the most common and effective risk management strategies.
Don and Pearl nod in understanding.
The A in STAR stands for avoid. This means eliminating the risk entirely by choosing not to engage in a risky activity. For example, Don, if you're worried about getting injured while skydiving, you could simply choose not to skydive.
Maybe biking will be safer. I think it's a little late for Pearl and me to avoid the risks that come with having a family.
True, but we wouldn't have it any other way.
You're right, Don and Pearl. Avoiding risk isn't always practical or desirable, especially when it comes to family life. The first R in STAR represents retain, which means accepting the risk and dealing with any potential losses yourself. Some people consciously choose not to buy insurance, opting to retain the risk. Others may retain risk unconsciously, simply because they're unaware of their risk exposure.
I don't think I'd feel comfortable retaining the risks we face as a family. That's why we're looking into insurance.
That's a smart approach, Pearl. Retaining risk can be dangerous, especially when it comes to your family's financial future. The final letter in STAR is R, which stands for reduce. This means taking steps to minimize your risk exposure. Instructor asks the class a question. When you left your house this morning, did you lock the door? If so, why did you lock the door?